Hi students, good morning, and here is again a very important topic, that is common defects of human eyes. Before starting the topic, I would just give a very simple but important piece of advice, that is never give up and keep on giving your best efforts. Success will be definitely yours. With that note, I would start this topic, that is the common defects of human eyes. So, what are they? They are myopia, hypermetropia, astigmatism, and presbyopia. So, what is myopia? It is short sightedness. That means the person is able to see the near objects only clearly. The distant objects are blurred, are not seen clearly. So, what is happening here? The images are formed in front of the retina. The rays which are coming from the long distant objects, they are forming images in front of the retina, not on the retina. So that is why the distant objects are blurred, they are not seen clearly. Only the near objects can be seen clearly. What are the possible causes? The possible causes are lengthened eyeball, lengthening of the eyeball from front to back, and the second cause can be the lens is too much curved. So these can be the two possible causes, and the correction can be done by using a concave lens so that the rays diverge before they strike the lens. So this is the corrective measure. And the second defect is hypermetropia, that is long sightedness. The person is able to see the distant objects clearly but not the near objects. There's a difficulty in seeing the near objects. What is happening here? The rays from the near objects are forming images behind the retina. Forming images behind the retina. What can be the possible causes? Shortening of the eyeball from front to back, and the lens is too flat. Lens has become too flat. This can be the possible reasons of this defect. Hypermetropia. What can be the corrective measures? Using a convex lens can correct this defect. And the third defect is astigmatism. That means the some parts of the object is clearly seen, but some parts of the same object is blurred. So this defect is because the due to the uneven curvature of the cornea. Due to the uneven curvature of the cornea, and this can be corrected by using a cylindrical lens. Uneven curvature of the cornea causes this defect of astigmatism, in which some part of the object is clearly seen but some part is blurred. Can be corrected by using cylindrical lens. And then comes the presbyopia. This is a defect for elderly people where the lens loses its flexibility. So vision from different distances are become defective, and it is a kind of far-sightedness. Only distant objects are seen clearly, near objects are not seen clearly, because the lens has lost its flexibility. So what is the corrective measure? The corrective measure is again here using a convex lens. So these are the common defects, students, of human eye, and you have to just remember the names and what is happening and what is the corrective measure of these defects. Like myopia, short-sightedness; hypermetropia, long-sightedness; astigmatism, some part of the object is visible, some part is blurred; and presbyopia for elderly people, the lens loses its flexibility, and it is a kind of far-sightedness. Only distant objects are seen, can be seen, and near objects cannot be seen clearly. So these are the defects, and corrective measures also I have discussed. So I think this will help you in remembering this topic, common defects of eye. There are some other defects also, like your cataract, night blindness, color blindness. But the main defects that we generally come across are these four. So I think this will help you in your understanding and knowledge. So with that, I close this topic and will come with some other topic in my next videos. Thank you so much.